how to participate in Google's Sound of India. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tiger YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can participate in Google Sounds of India. So basically, first of all, what you need to do, you have to go to your Google, and then after going to your Google you have to just simply search for g.co slash sounds of India. So now after typing this, what you have to do, simply click on this search bar option, and then here you'll find a link. So let me just try it out. g.co slash sounds of India. So after this you have to search and you will find this type of interface. So now what you have to do, you have to just simply select your language. So let me just go for English, and then here you have to click next, again next, again next, and then here this type of interface will be coming up in your phone, checking font. So now just simply click on next option and then click on I agree and get started. Now you can see here this type of interface. So just click on play and start singing.